Hola a todos y bienvenidos de nuevo a mi canal. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're a heritage speaker of Spanish, who grew up hearing Spanish at home but never really learned to speak it fluently, or maybe you used to speak it but now it feels like it's slipping away, this video is for you. Maybe you're thinking, how do I even start? Why can't I speak Spanish when I understand so much of it? Why do I freeze up when I try to talk to my family? You're not alone and you're definitely not broken. My name is Chelsea, and I'm a heritage speaker of Spanish too. I spoke Spanish as a child, and from ages 12 to 14, I used comprehensible input and self-study strategies to relearn Spanish. By the age of 14, I was speaking Spanish at native level fluency. Since then, I've earned both a bachelor's and master's degree in Spanish linguistics, and I've spent years helping heritage learners reconnect with their language and identity. And now I want to help you do the same. That's exactly why I created the Chelsea Lovely Heritage Spanish program. A transformational program that helps you go from understanding some Spanish to finally speaking with confidence, clarity, and connection. If you're ready to stop feeling stuck and start owning your Spanish, apply now using the link in the description below. Spots are limited because I work closely with each student to support your journey personally. Now let's talk more about why you can't speak Spanish even though you grew up hearing it. A lot of heritage speakers feel like frauds. You understand your grandma perfectly. You grew up hearing Spanish in the background, but when you try to speak, you freeze, or you default to English, or maybe the words just don't come out the way you want them to. Here's the truth, you were never taught Spanish, you were just expected to absorb it. When you didn't get it right, maybe you got teased, corrected, or judged. Over time, that turned into fear, shame, and silence. It's not that you're bad at Spanish, it's that nobody gave you the support to activate what you already know. And that can absolutely change. What holds most heritage speakers back isn't grammar, it's shame. Maybe you've heard things like, that's not how you say it. Why do you sound like a gringa? Or, you're not a real Latino if you don't speak Spanish. These comments don't just hurt, but they also shape how you see yourself. You start to believe you have to be perfect or say nothing at all. You overthink every word, you worry about messing up, and you shrink your voice even around family. But here's what I want you to know. You don't need perfect Spanish. You need safe, structured support to rebuild your confidence and your voice. And that's exactly what the Chelsea Lovely Heritage Spanish program is designed to give you. This program isn't just about drills or memorizing grammar charts. It's about healing the part of you that feels like you're not enough to speak Spanish. Inside the program, we help you transform your passive understanding into confident, empowering expression, step by step. If that's what you need, apply now using the link in the description below. Let's get you finally speaking Spanish with confidence. So, what actually works when you're learning or relearning Spanish as a heritage speaker? The most powerful changes come when you stop trying to learn Spanish like someone who wasn't exposed to it growing up, and when you start learning Spanish like someone who already knows more than they think. Here's what transformation really looks like. You speak without second-guessing every sentence, you go from small talk to deep, meaningful conversations, and you feel like you finally belong in your language and your culture. We rebuild your fluency in the way your brain naturally learns best, through input, consistency, confidence, and culturally safe guidance. This isn't just about Spanish, it's about self-worth. It's about reconnecting with a version of you that never needed to prove anything to anyone. You know how it feels to want to say something to your family, your words get stuck in your throat, and to avoid conversations because you're tired of hearing, why can't you speak Spanish? That ends here. The Chelsea Lovely Heritage Spanish program gives you the path, the support, and the confidence to finally speak the way you've always wanted to. This is your next step, not just to fluency, but to healing, confidence, and power in your own voice. Apply now for the program to see if you're a good fit. Spots are limited and your transformation starts the minute you click the link. Si te gustó el video, por favor, deja una manita arriba, déjame un comentario, y no te olvides a suscribirte a mi canal para recibir más herramientas y recursos para ayudarte a aprender el español como hablante de herencia. And remember, fluency isn't about perfection. It's about showing up, using your voice, and being confident in who you are. I'll see you inside the program. Muchísimas gracias por ver este video y nos vemos en el próximo video. Chao.